Good morning, everyone. My name is G. I came from China and have been living in Auckland for 3 years. Now I'm a student of Unitec. Today I'm going to talk about the global warming. This talk will be divided into 4 parts. Firstly, I will make a brief introduction of global warming. Secondly, I'll talk about the causes of global warming. And then I will point out the effects of global warming. Finally, we'll look at how we should do for controlling it. Now, before I start the introduction, I want to know how many people are interested in chemistry. Do you know what releases the carbon dioxide? Why do I ask carbon dioxide? Because it is the important reason for global warming. So, let me explain what I mean by global warming. Global warming is defined as the increase in surface temperature of Earth because of the greenhouse effect created by greenhouse gases. Global warming is a big problem of the environment that we are facing today as a considerable challenge which we should solve forever. This presentation will look at the main causes of global warming and the main effects. One of the causes is industry. It has been using fossil fuel for running machines. Everything we use is made by machine. That means it requires the fossil fuel. For example, when we buy a computer, the process of making computer required machine, and machine use fossil fuel. During the produced carbon dioxide is delivered into the air. Besides industrial transportation like cars are also deliver carbon dioxide from exhaust. Deforestation is another cause, which is the most common issue created by human influence. People have been cutting down trees to produce papers and build wooden houses. If people continue to remove forests, the carbon dioxide will gather in the air because no more trees can take in the carbon dioxide from the air. Humans also release carbon dioxide into the air. If humans continue to remove trees, human breathing that release carbon dioxide will stay in the air. Polar ice cap melting is the most obvious effect of global warming. Because of the temperature increase, the ice at the North Pole will melt. As melt, it will make the sea level rising. Because the melting glaciers became oceans, this will affect lots of low-lying areas, such as the Netherlands. In future, the Netherlands will be covered by oceans once the North Pole is melted, even though it will not happen so fast, but the sea level will continue rise. In conclusion, global warming is the causes of vast effects. It is the time that we have to start taking this issue seriously. We should reduce the unnecessary industry factory and protect the forest. Reduction in carbon emissions is also can bring down the consequence of global warming. Accordingly, each of us should do a bit for controlling it.